And now the whole shebang. It's common on Unix-like systems to have the first line of a script include a special comment called a shebang. This begins with the usual hash as for any other comment, followed by an exclamation mark. The shebang allows the program loader to identify which interpreter should be used to run the program. Shebangs have an additional purpose of conveniently documenting at the top of a file whether the Python code therein is Python 2 or Python 3. The exact details of your shebang command depend on the location of Python on your system. Typical Python 3 shebangs use the Unix env program to locate Python 3 on your path environment variable, which importantly is compatible with Python virtual environments. The standard Python 3 shebang passes Python 3 to the user bin env program. Don't worry if you're on Windows, Python includes machinery to make this work on Windows too. On Mac or Linux, we must mark our script as executable using the chmod command before the shebang will have any effect. Having done that, we can now run our script directly. Since Python 3.3, Python on Windows also supports the use of the shebang to make Python scripts directly executable with the correct version of the Python interpreter, even to the extent that shebangs that look like they should only work on Unix-like systems will work as expected on Windows. This works because Windows Python distributions now use a program called PyLauncher. PyLauncher, the executable for which is simply py.exe, will parse the shebang and locate the appropriate version of Python on your system. For example, on Windows, in CMD shell, simply words.py followed by the URL as the command line argument will be sufficient to run your script with Python 3, even if you also have Python 2 installed. You can read more about PyLauncher on Windows in PEP 397.